we are going to make some cold coffee. I'm going to push this button. It's going to say AMZChef. You push it again and it will show you all 8 buttons of what it can do. Okay, and the one we're going to use right now is going to be for a cold coffee. We're going to put us 1 cup of milk in here. It's preferred that you use whole milk, but I'm using 2% milk because that's all I have. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of Nescafe ice roast in here to make us some cold coffee. It's in there, you guys see that? Now, I'm going to put the lid on. Sure that's nice and secure. We're going to, after 60 seconds it will cut off, which is good. So now we have to go back. We chose, which one? That one. That's the cold. You see no steam coming up from it. So we're going to push that button and get our cold coffee going. Look at there, isn't that beautiful? And this is a AMZ Milk Frother, 8-in-1 multifunction automatic milk frother. No batteries required. You can make hot or cold milk. It's great for cappuccinos, lattes, hot chocolate, all this done at home. No more spending money in those coffee shops. It's easy and simple to use. Start and operate with 1 button. Easy to clean. Remove the stainless steel cup. Wash, rinse, dry. Repeat. This will be used in your home for sure. And this only takes about 1 to 2 minutes to get that nice froth that you want. Nice and quiet. So easy and so simple to use. You hear that? It's done. Take our lid off. Pour our cold coffee in. Look at there. Looks like pure silk. Wow, isn't that beautiful? So now there's your cold coffee.